Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you 10 browser shortcut keys that everyone should be aware of. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. While using a browser, sometimes we accidentally close the tab, which creates a problem, but you can restore that page by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T, and now you should have your tab opened. Next we have Ctrl plus left click to open the link in the new tab, or you can press Shift and left click to open the link in the new browser. Next is Ctrl plus and minus. The use of this shortcut key is to zoom in and out on web pages. Moving on, we have Ctrl plus R. The use of this shortcut key is to refresh or reload the page. Next is Ctrl plus Tab. This might be useful shortcut key as it allows us to switch between different tabs very easily. The next shortcut key is Ctrl plus F. This is also a very useful shortcut key that lets you find or search specific words on a web page. Next is Ctrl plus T. This is also a really useful shortcut key that helps you to open a new tab in the browser. The next shortcut key is Ctrl plus Enter. If you want to visit a website, just type the name and hit Ctrl plus Enter, and it will automatically add the .com on your URL. Next is Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. If you want to delete or clear your browsing data, then you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard to quickly delete your browsing data. The last shortcut key on our list is F11. If you want to browse websites in full screen mode, then you can press F11 on your keyboard to view contents in full screen, and you can always hit the escape key to exit the full screen mode. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing content like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.